Alright, you guys, continuing my series of large puzzle pieces. I've got this 750 piece puzzle. It is called, I think, Meet You at Jack's. Meet You at Jack's? It's a diner, and I would love to eat there for breakfast or something. I really love that. And yes, it seems to be a retro motif. So all the puzzles so far went very well. They are a bit bigger, that's why my table space is a little bit, well, but it fits. So let's do it. Okay guys, so here we have a Jack's Diner. Yeah, that was easy to do. It was fun to do. The pieces were large and it's not much to say about it. It's park and dine, air conditioned. But to be honest, is there anything not air conditioned in the US? Yeah, we've got all the old cars here. Whoops. A guy, I don't know what he's doing there, but who he wants to impress. And the diner, so I really do have a sweet spot for diners. We haven't got something. We've got a few diners, want to be diners, but yes. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like, you can hit the like button or consider to subscribe. And we will see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.